How to contact seller on Temu. Now, if you're going to be doing this via the Temu application on your mobile device, make sure that you're doing or you're using the latest version of the application. So it might be a slight different on the options that you'll be choosing, but the process are all the same. Open it up and make sure that you're fully logged in into your Temu account. Now let's just choose first and any random products that you would like to have. For example, this one. Now, for you to be redirected into the profile of the trader or the seller, is just simply click this small icon right here that says sold by, and you will be redirected into the seller's profile. Now, all the details, the addresses, phone numbers, and emails of the seller that you would like to get in touch with is going to be with their profile picture. Simply click on their current profile picture, and all their details will be posted there. But say, for example, like on this one, uh, contact information is not visible here. What you want to do before you purchase the product is just coordinate with Timo's customer service first so that the seller will get back to you. So that's the most convenient way for you to contact seller on Timo.